Good morning, dear children. Children, in the previous lesson, we had completed chapter 1, that is the lost child, from supplementary reader, that is Moments. Children, today we are going to start with the chapter The Sound of Music. Children, The Sound of Music is written by Deborah Colley, and this chapter is divided into two parts. Part 1, Evelyn Glennie listens to sound without hearing it, and part 2, that is the Shehnai of Bismillah Khan. Children, as Sudesh sir has already covered and completed part 1, we are going to focus on part 2, that is Shehnai of Bismillah Khan. Now, what we are going to cover today? Well, children, we are going to cover first about the author, second, introduction, third, theme and sub-theme. Number 4, we will focus on characters. Number 5, I'll give you a short overview of the chapter so that in the next lesson we can comprehend the chapter well. Sixth point would be points to ponder. Children, number 7, that is assignment which I shall give you after giving the overview of the chapter, the Shehnai of Bismillah Khan. Now coming down to the chapter. Children, if I talk about the author, Deborah Colley had been a famous writer of her period who travelled across the world while writing articles for Reader's Digest. She grew up in Toronto, Canada, and graduated from the University of Western Ontario and moved to Ottawa to work for the Unitarian Service Committee. She spent 2 years with UNHCR, that is United Nations Relief and Works Agency, in Beirut before moving back to Ottawa and a job with CIDA. As she traveled the world with her diplomat husband, she worked as a reporter for CBC Radio in Washington, D.C. and on a posting to Cairo. She worked on several TV documentaries for CBC's Man Alive. Also in Egypt, she wrote the first official guidebook to Cairo. Now children, as we are going to cover part 2. Now children, you will find the theme of the chapter. Now children, when I talk about the theme, that is passion, determination and hard work as the key to success. Sub-theme, success and humility. Now when we talk about part 2, children, part 2, the Shehnai of Bismillah Khan, comprises of several characters. As you can see on the screen itself, a barber, improved sound quality of Pungi and developed Shehnai. Another character, Rasool Bux Khan, Bismillah Khan's grandfather, Shehnai player in Bhojpur's King's Court. Paigambar Bux, that is Bismillah Khan's father, a great Shehnai player. Ali Bux, Khan Sahib's uncle, Shehnai player in Vishnu Temple, Banaras. Ustad Fayaz Khan, acclaimed musician, encouraged Khan Sahib at Allahabad. Vijay Bhatt, a legendary filmmaker, that is Gunj Uthi Shehnai. This is the film. Vikram Srinivas, a Kannada filmmaker, that is Kannad filmmaker. King Zahir Shah, Afghan king, gifted Khan Sahib priceless souvenirs. A student, BK's student, wanted him to head a Shehnai school in the USA. Now children, the introduction of the chapter. As I said, the lesson is divided into two parts. Each part focuses on two musicians, Evelyn Glennie and Bismillah Khan. Children, part 1 throws light on Evelyn's life and her struggles to become a successful musician. Evelyn is a multi-percussionist, whereas part 2, the area of concern, focuses on the life of Bharat Ratna recipient Ustad Bismillah Khan. Children, part 2 begins with the birth of Shehnai and how the maestro brought Shehnai into the classical stage. Both the parts highlight the musical journey. Evelyn and Bismillah Khan and their outstanding contribution to the world of music. Now, Evelyn's accomplishments, despite her hearing disability, are not only astonishing but also a source of inspiration for many. Whereas, on the other hand, Bismillah Khan's exploration of the rare musical instrument, his instinctively uncompromising musical heart, and his truly patriotic spirit will be remembered forever and ever. Now, moving on to part 2, that is the Shehnai of Bismillah Khan. Children, as you can see the photographs, the images, you can get a glimpse that where this great man practiced singing. Now, children, the Shehnai of Bismillah Khan. Now coming down to the chapter. The summary. The account begins with the birth of Shehnai and later deals with the early life of Bismillah Khan in Dumrao in Bihar. His grandfather was a Shehnai Nawaz in the Bhojpur king's court. Bismillah Khan took to music early in life when he was 3 years old in the company of his maternal uncle. His life is a source of simplicity and communal harmony from the very beginning when he used to sing Chaita in Bihariji temple and practicing Shehnai in Vishnu temple and Mangla Maya temple of Varanasi. Bismillah Khan got his big break with the opening of All India Radio in Lucknow in 1938. Children, he also played Shehnai on 15th August 1947 from the Red Fort in presence of Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. Bismillah Khan gave many memorable performances both in India and abroad where he was honored with so many awards. He also composed music for 2 movies, that is Goonj Uthi Shehnai and Sanadi Apanna. He was so fond of his motherland India, that is the place where he resided, Banaras, and the Holy Ganga, that he refused. He had so much inclination to his motherland, children, that he refused an offer to be the head of Shehnai school in the United States of America. In 2001, Ustad Bismillah Khan was awarded India's highest civilian award, that is the Bharat Ratna. His life is a perfect example of the rich cultural heritage of India, one that effortlessly accepts that a devout Muslim like him can very naturally play the Shehnai at the Kashi Vishwanath temple. This is where, children, he promotes a healthy communal harmony. Now, the points to remember or the points to ponder for part 2, that is Shehnai of Bismillah Khan. Children, when you will read the chapter, you need to underline these points. It will help you to understand the chapter well when I shall explain the chapter in the second class. Children, the very first point to remember or to ponder upon, that is the birth of Shehnai, how Shehnai came into existence. Second very important point, that is Bismillah Khan's role in bringing Shehnai to classical stage. Third, Bismillah Khan's musical background. Fourth point, Bismillah Khan's passion and flair for music and inspiration. Point number 5, the big break, that is children, All India Radio, when he got a chance actually. Fifth point, Bismillah Khan's journey as a musician. Sixth, his contribution to films and uncompromising spirit. Next point, Bismillah Khan's performance abroad. Next, his awards and achievements. Then Bismillah Khan's the master with a true Indian spirit. Next point, Bismillah Khan's refusal to go to the USA. That is because of his patriotism, because of his inclination towards his motherland. Now children, as you will see that I have given few assignment to work out. That includes questions from both parts, that is part 1 and part 2. These are short questions and you need to answer them in your own words. For example, the first question, how old was Evelyn when did she go to the Royal Academy of Music? As the chapter has already been taught to you by Sudesh sir, you should be able to answer question number 1 to 10. Children, the same questions you are supposed to work it out in your notebook. Children, in the next lesson, we shall do the chapter in detail. Till then, try to underline the difficult words and write the word meanings in your notebook. Thank you and have a nice day.